Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a golf grip without cutting it. First, gather your essential tools: a vise, a rubber shaft clamp, and a hook blade. You will also need a suitable solvent, like mineral spirits or a specialized grip solvent. Having a clean, organized workspace is crucial to ensure a smooth and efficient removal process, preventing any unwanted debris from interfering. Next, secure your golf club firmly in a vise, making sure to use a rubber shaft clamp to protect the shaft from any damage. With the club secure, gently lift the bottom edge of the grip using your hook blade, creating a small opening. Now, inject about 2 to 3 ounces of your chosen solvent under the grip, working it around the entire shaft for even distribution. Once the solvent is applied, begin to twist and push the grip down the shaft. The solvent acts as a lubricant, helping the grip slide more easily. Continue this motion, working the grip slowly and steadily. If you encounter significant resistance, apply a little more solvent to ease the process. Finally, slide the grip completely off the shaft with a firm yet gentle hold. After successfully removing the old grip, it is important to thoroughly clean the shaft. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any remaining grip tape or solvent residue. Take a moment to inspect the shaft for any potential damage or imperfections that might affect the installation of a new grip. Finally, allow the shaft to dry completely, ensuring a perfectly clean and prepared surface for your next grip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.